I started East Coast Countertops in 2003. In 2006, started cutting our own stone with a skill saw. Broke a lot of slabs, did a lot of no-nos. The first was an older Park Sierra, which I traded for a boat. A call Park, the amount of time they spent on the phone with a used machine, you don't see that kind of service. Definitely a no-brainer for me. It was Park Industries.
Was it worth it? Using your boat for the machine?
Absolutely. Yeah, it definitely made me money to buy more boats. So,
Okay.
The first two machines that I bought new were the Fusion and the Titan at the same time. Then I went to the Optimus. My favorite machine would have to be the Optimus. It's just the look of the machine. It's a beast. It still kind of gives me the chills when I see it. For the amount of square footage it takes up in the shop and for what it puts out in cutting, it was definitely the way to go. For the machine to get from point A to point B, one side of the slab to the other, it's super fast. We're getting about 500 square feet a day out of the Optimus, and that's not even running it full time. It's just not even breaking a sweat. The Fastback 2 is definitely probably the second most important piece of equipment that any shop should have. I mean, if you're just cutting with a bridge saw, your second piece of equipment's got to be a Fastback. It's going to pay for itself. You can put pieces through there, vanity tops, countertops, backsplashes. Basically what that piece of equipment will do in one day, it would take a fabricator to do in over a week. And to be honest with you, probably a better job from the Fastback. Nobody wants to do backsplashes. Even if you just use it for backsplashes, it's worth having a Fastback, because nobody wants to do backsplashes. You don't want to pay a guy who's got talent to polish backsplashes. And the longevity of the tool life is insane. It tells you how many feet you're getting out of the pads. It's insane. Just what you're saving in pads, it's worth buying the machine. It really is. We've exceeded square footage numbers that I've never thought I was gonna hit. We're at 4,000 square feet. Sometimes we'll go to 5,000, 4,500, but on the average, that's about what we're installing a week. You get some more respect from your clients. They see the equipment. We have a high-end customer. He wouldn't even give us the work until he came into the shop. As soon as he walked in, he's seen the equipment. He's like, I'm all set, walked out. We've been working ever since. Pretty much any job we bring it on, porcelain, book matching, inside corners, outside corners, on the wall, on the ceiling. We have Newport here. We've done work on some of the mega yachts that come into the shipyard. Where it's made is absolutely important to me. Yeah, I love American made. I've been to Park Industries. I've been there for training. I've seen their facilities. They don't mess around. The confidence you get when you have the service level that Park offers you, they're always there to help you. They're not pushing you off the phone. They know exactly what to look for. They get you up and running quick. Not only the service, the availability of parts, their stocking of parts, and the amount of time it takes to get them here is just a very, makes you feel very confident in the equipment. Park always goes the extra mile. They've just been great. They've been making you feel like you can sleep at night and one less thing to worry about. Peace of mind.
Right.